Hey there, everybody. Thomas with Basecamp Trading. It is Monday, August 24th, and today we're going to talk about what we do when you come into the trading room or come to the trading day and you see that the markets are already extended, meaning they've already had a big move. Because this is a question I get quite often in the trading room on days like today. So before we dive in here, though, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe there on YouTube if you haven't already done so. So today we came in, and you can see here, over the night session, starting last night, the S&P gapped up and then broke out of this compression pattern we've been in the 240-minute price chart and ran all the way up and hit significantly overvalued in the 240s, which typically means it's extended for the day. Now, when that happens, one question people always ask me is, all right, are we going to go long? Are we going to go short? And everybody's wanting to fade it because it's too extended to the upside, they say, or they're going, okay, is this a buying opportunity? Do we go ahead and get long? And what I personally typically do is leave it alone. If the market's already had its move over the night session and you come in on the day and the market's already extended for the day, normally it just chops around, kind of like what we've done today. You can see on a 30-minute price chart, has not been a lot of movement here in the S&P. I mean, a bit of volatility right at the open, but that's about it. And for the past 2.5 hours, we've just been chopping straight sideways in a pretty narrow range. So a lot of times it's a better idea just to sit back and say, okay, I'll wait and let the market reset and I'll look to trade it again tomorrow. There's nothing wrong with coming into a trading day and not taking any trades. Remember, if you're placing a trade, if you're buying or you're selling a market, that means you believe that there is such a good setup, there's a good enough probability that you're willing to put money on it. You're willing to risk your money because you believe that the idea or the setup is valid enough to place a trade. Well, after a big move like this, normally markets go back into consolidation. So if I'm expecting a market to go back into consolidation, I don't want to chase it. And then at the same time, I'm not the type of person that's going to fade a big move. So just because I see a market that's gone way up doesn't mean I'm going to sell it. All right, I'd rather just wait and look to jump in at a later point. So just to recap here, if you come into the trading day and you've seen a huge move over the night session, oftentimes, and this is specifically regarding futures, oftentimes it's a better idea just to leave it alone and just wait for the new opportunity. No, there's no need to force a trade just because you want to be trading the markets. All right, wait for that market to kind of reset, settle down, and then look to jump in later. But that's it for today, everybody. I hope it helps. I'll see you in the next one. And until next time, everyone, happy trading.